Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Taylor and today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I haven't done one in a really long time. For today's video, I'm going to show you new things I've added to my makeup routine. I literally never change my makeup, so my everyday makeup is pretty much the same every single day, but I have added a few more products, so I'm going to be showing you what those are today. I already have my base makeup on, which is my primer, my concealer, my foundation, and my setting powder, and those have not changed whatsoever. They're exactly the same. Here they are over here. This is what I've been using. A newer product that I've been using every single day is this Dior palette, and this is the Dior Backstage Glow Face palette, and it's the 001 Universal. It has blush, bronzer, two different highlighters. I'm obsessed with this. Once this is gone, I'm gonna have to buy another one. As you guys can tell, it's been loved already. This contour and blush brush is from Complex Culture, and I think I got it in some sort of PR box, but I've been using it every single day and it works so well. For the bronzer, I just put it right under here, right under the cheekbone, and so there's really not much to it. There's no technique. I just like slap it on. What I love about this bronzer is it's slightly glowy, so it gives you like a really nice glow too. And now for blush, this is just a really old IT brush, and this is the Soft Touch blush brush. I just add just a tiny little bit. Again, I don't really care how it looks because I'm gonna blend it out. I like when I'm blending, I like to blend like up and away. Ugh, this hair keeps sticking to my... I put on some hydrating lip oil. Sidebar, this hydrating lip oil from Dior, it's the Color Reviver, and I use the color Cherry, and it brings out like your natural color of your lips based on the pH. It's one of those things, and I'm obsessed with it. I use it like every day before or as I'm getting ready. By the time I put on my lip products, my lips are nice and dewy and soft, and I just really love this stuff. I really like when my makeup is very natural, and I don't really like it to look too overdone, so that's why I really blend it out. When I'm in a hurry, some days I'll just use the bronzer as my eyeshadow and just call it done, but today I'm going to show you the eyeshadow palette that I've been using. This palette is from Dior. This is Poncho number 559. You can tell how much I like this palette because it's been very loved. I use it every day almost if I'm not just using the bronzer. I start off with the lightest color and I just kind of cover my entire lid with it. I like that it is just slightly sparkly. Now it's time for this gold bronze color, and I just add it to the center of my eye and then just a little bit outward. To finish off the eyeshadow, I use this middle color. I just put this in the corner. Again, like I just like slap it on my face. When I'm feeling in the mood, I use a little bit of both of the highlight colors and just kind of add it right under my brow. Eyeshadow's done. Now moving on to eyeliner. When doing my eyeliner, I like to have just the tiniest little flick. I achieve my little eyeliner flick with three things. The first eyeliner I found is kind of spreads a little bit easier, and I use it to draw a line, and it's a lot more forgiving. So I use this first, and then I'll go over it with the next eyeliner, which is sticks on your eye all day long. This one, I just added this little tiny flick, and I'll take this and kind of just smear this out until I'm happy with the line. And I finish off my eyeliner with the Dior On Stage liner, and this is the waterproof. And I just trace the line that I already created. For my brows, I've been using the Revlon Color Stay brow pencil, and I've just been happy with it. It just does the job. It stays on pretty well too, so I just start by brushing it up, trying to get these babies under control. Again, I don't really use, I know I've said this a bunch, but there's really no technique. And then I just color in my brows just the tiniest bit. I want them to look natural and not like overdrawn. This is kind of hard to do in the camera. I'll just comb it through one more time. I also found that this kind of blends in the crayon a little bit more too. Mascara is probably my favorite. I just feel like it really is, I feel like it's the thing that elevates your face the most when putting on makeup. And I really love Dior makeup, obviously, so I've been using this little duo, and this is the Dior Show Maximizer 3D Lash Primer, and for the mascara, it's the Dior Show Iconic Overcurl. When you put this on, I like to only put it on one eye first, otherwise when it dries a little bit, it gets a little bit clumpy. And of course, like, I only put this on the top. I don't feel like my bottom lashes need to be primed because I don't even actually put mascara on the bottom. Now for mascara. Eye with mascara, eye without. I decided to do like a talking tutorial today because I always put music over and I feel like I usually get still a lot of questions. So hopefully, since I'm talking through everything, there won't be as many questions about how I've been doing my makeup. Plus, I feel like it's just a little more chill. Makeup is almost done, just 2 more steps. I like to go and just clean up under my eye with some concealer. And this is the Dior Forever Skin Correct. I saw this technique on TikTok and I've been using it ever since. They call it the lifting technique. And it really does like lift and brighten your eyes. And I'll just blend it. There. It makes such a difference. It's so crazy. And to finish with a little bit of setting powder. I don't like to put too much under my eyes because I think it looks cakey. Last step is lip liner. And I've been using this Buxom lip liner for almost 2 years. Not the same one, but the same color. This is Dolly Danger, and I just feel like it looks good under most lipsticks that I like. This is the newest addition to my makeup, and this is the VIP Audacious lipstick in the color Anita. I just think this is so pretty. It's also very creamy. What I really love about this case is that it's magnetic. I always love when the lipsticks are magnetic. I don't know why. I end up playing with it a lot. It's the little things in life. This is what I usually do every single day. It really doesn't change unless I introduce new products into my routine. I just wanted to share with you guys some of the new products I've been using and loving. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe in the bubble on the screen. And thanks for watching.